Good morning, everyone. This is Doug Campbell with Right Way Options and your morning market preparation video for July 10th, 2017. Well, it was really great to have a rally on Friday to see this pop back up a little bit. But we have to recognize that's really all it was a rally, a relief rally, taking some of the pressure off of the market. As you can see, we're still beneath or under these resistance levels in price. Even though we had that bullish action, we were unable to break out or break resistance. They just didn't have enough energy. And notice that we were doing it on very light volume on Friday. So a light volume rally on a Friday with this kind of relief makes me think that this could have been nothing more than short sellers taking some profits off before the weekend, because we really didn't see buyers actively stepping in. I think what we might have witnessed was just nothing more than a little short covering rally to capture some gains here before a weekend. So this morning I'm looking at futures, and futures are weak. Futures are not really showing much of any kind of strength to the upside. We don't really have anything on the economic calendar today of interest. There's a couple small reports. There are some bond auctions going off. But other than that, there's really not much going on in the market. If we look at the economic calendar, there's 11 companies reporting today, but none of them would be of the significant enough to really move the market. So we have a market that's kind of stuck here, and I think it warrants caution. Just be careful, because you can see if we were to draw a box around this price action that we've been in here on the diamonds, and if I put that box on here, you can see that this price range back and forth is really wide ranged. And notice how often we flip it. We flip back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And so it's dangerous to trade. This is where your accounts get chopped to pieces. And we have to be very, very careful and very, very cautious how we move forward on a market like this. So I need to see some proof of some actual buying going on. Truly buyer stepping in to support this price level, not just some short covering, before I'm going to get too excited about trading it. If we look at the SPY is not as strong as the diamonds. You can see the SPY actually broke its longer term uptrend here. We've rallied back to that resistance level on Friday, but notice anything really between here and here could provide that resistance level. A rally up in here could show a failure pattern for more lows. So be really careful. Don't buy into a relief rally until we really see some of those buyers actually stepping up and showing follow through on a day like Friday. We need follow through to prove it. Prove that you want to support these prices before I jump in. And I'm going to be very, very careful about that. If we take a look at IWM had a really nice rally on Friday, but it once again failed to break through this resistance level. And this resistance level runs clear back way over here, where there's price action right in here that stopped it. So anything up in here could create that failure. So we want to be really, really careful, really cautious as we travel into this market. And you just don't want to short a dull market. You don't really want to go long a dull market. You just want, I'm telling you, it's kind of a pain to know what to do here. And consequently, I'm just going to be really careful about moving forward. There will be new trades. There's no doubt about it. There will be new trades and great trades. And there's good charts right now to look at. But I need some proof. I need some proof. When we look at the Qs, just really aren't pretending. This is in a full-on downtrend, and we have held some support Okay, we caught this support on Friday, bounced off of here. We're challenging it once again, this resistance level right here, but notice we really didn't get that really good bullish look that we were going to hold all of this up. So anything up into here even can be a reason to look for a short trade lower, because all we're doing is a rally in this bear trend that we're currently in the Qs. Now, I'm going to stick with this rally, and I like this rally because we're in a trade on Microsoft. And folks, if you're listening to this for the first time, do not chase into the trade in Microsoft. We've been in it for quite a while. We're up about 50% overall on the trade. We're doing well. So this relief rally is actually helping our Microsoft position come back up a little bit. We've been up as much as 60% in that trade. So any little rally up in here is a good thing for us, and we may watch this closely for a reason to exit that Microsoft trade if we start seeing more failure patterns occurring in here. So be very, very careful. Remember, this is exactly what a downtrend begins as. Move down, rally up, lower high, new low. Okay, so rally up, lower low, new low. The only way this changes is if we get into a technically correct pattern, and I talk about this a lot, that technically correct pattern. We move down, we move up, we either break out and hold that as support, start up, beginning an uptrend, okay, or we find a higher low and start higher, giving us the beginning of an uptrend. So that right in there is what we're looking for. Right now, all I see is danger, and a rally back up could set us up for more downside. So folks, if this is the first time you've seen this video, first time you've seen anything we do in Right Way Options, please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, click that subscribe button on YouTube or that follow button on Facebook so that you can get this information sent to you, every time it's posted. Now, I post this information every day. I do this as part of my morning preparation. It's important for me to do, and I just happen to share it with everyone. So if you find this useful, please subscribe to those so you'll be notified when I put them out. Right Way Option members, we will be on time and going today, but if the market's going to be light and choppy, there may not be a lot to talk about. So bring your questions, bring your charts. We can cover some price action work or whatever would be helpful to you guys. So bring your questions, and everyone have a awesome day. I wish you all great profits, and I will talk to you all soon. Take care now.